It's hailing. Wow. Come on, God. Woohoo! Hey, let's go under the trees. Go right here. Oh, I think your dad trimmed the trees a little much here.
Yeah, achieving down the back. That one's real good.
Wow. Where did that come from? Hi, girl. You got rocks on your butt. Wow. She acts like she's going to spook.
I know. You want me to get off?
Yeah.
Ow. Ow.
Well, get under here more. You're standing out in the rain.
These trees aren't helpful.
Come over here by the fence, silly.
Look at it. No. Oh, you're flipping. I don't think so. It's the opportunity to eat food.
Wow. We're getting hailed on here. We're getting rocks.
I'm getting my saddle wet. Oh no, it's so wet. Oh!
Right in your eye? Oh, it's bad.
Good thing we have helmets on.
Oh my God, it's so funny. Where did this hat come from?
Yeah.
Wow. Ouch. Okay. Thank goodness you have a helmet. Ow. Ow. It's snowing now. Wow.
I know, I was, last night as you told me that, I went to bed, I was like, wait, it's supposed to be raining tomorrow. I was like, these colors would be a good idea.
That's funny. All gone. Looking like a little summer storm.
I know.
Let's see. He's got rocks on his butt. That's funny. Hi, Bacardi.
What do you want?
Let me feel my eye.
You're on video. What's the matter, Madeline?
I got something in my eye. Is it gone?
I don't know.
Look! Is it still there?
I didn't even see it.
Oh, that hurt. Oh, I think I got horsehair in my eye.
Wow, isn't that nice? Wow. That was funny. See, the cloud's gone. Look up. Where did it come from? Really? It's gone.
And I don't like it.
It's gone over there. It's all gone. So we're okay, aren't we?
Your ass friend.
Alright,